Mastering Adobe Illustrator, creating interactive graphics for web and mobile. Buy it master. Tired of static graphics that fail to engage your audience? Discover the secrets of creating interactive graphics with Adobe Illustrator that will make your websites and mobile apps truly stand out. Why interactive graphics matter in 2025. Interactive experiences are in high demand across websites and mobile apps. Users expect visuals that do more than look good, they expect them to respond and interact. Interactive elements significantly boost engagement. They lead to longer session times, increased user interaction, and better conversion rates. Real-world examples are everywhere. Product demos with clickable features, scroll-triggered animations, interactive maps, and quizzes that adapt in real time. Introducing Adobe Illustrator, your interactive graphics toolkit. Adobe Illustrator offers more than static design, it's a powerhouse for building graphics ready for interactivity. Essential features include symbols for reusable design components, layers for organized structure, and the Pathfinder tool for combining shapes into interactive assets. A quick visual demo. Create a clean interactive button using layers, Pathfinder, and symbols to structure and style your element for responsiveness. Mastering interactivity with Illustrator, techniques and best practices. Use the Graphic Styles feature to apply consistent styling across all your interactive components quickly. Add visual energy with blending modes and transparency effects to simulate interactivity and depth. Take it further with masking and clipping paths to control what elements appear based on user interaction. Always design with UX in mind. Interactivity should be intuitive, accessible, and easy to navigate. Ensure responsiveness across devices. Your graphics should adapt to different screen sizes while preserving clarity and function. Creating interactive graphics, step-by-step workflow. Begin with the visual design in Illustrator. Structure your graphic with interactivity in mind. Apply styles, effects, and features that support dynamic behaviors. Export assets in web-friendly formats like SVG, or prep them for integration with third-party tools. Enhance interactivity by integrating with animation libraries or prototyping platforms to simulate or trigger interactions. Bringing your graphics to life, integration and optimization. Embed your interactive graphics into websites and mobile apps with clean code or platform-ready formats. Optimize for performance, minimize load times and ensure accessibility across different browsers and devices. Test your graphics in multiple environments to ensure consistent behavior and seamless user experiences. Boost your web and mobile designs with captivating interactive graphics. Interactive graphics are revolutionizing web and mobile design. Start creating immersive experiences with the power of Adobe Illustrator today.